It's good to see you again. Today we are going to make a toy which you can have fun playing with. Let's see what you need. A piece of cardboard, 2 straws, 2 kebab sticks, a tape roll, pencil and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Trace your feet on the cardboard. And then cut around it. Now, using tape, attach the straws to the feet-shaped cardboard. Now, insert the kebab sticks into the straws. Then use tape again and attach the kebab sticks to the tape roll. And now it's time for you to play with it. Enjoy!